it's the Great Ninja Yuffie here, and we want you to join Avalanche! Aerith! Anyway, without further interruptions, we want you to join Avalanche. Barrett said so, he said, put posters up or something, Yuffie. I'm far too interesting, so I thought I'd make a video. Hello, who are you? Do you want to join Avalanche? Ginger! That's her. She's not Ginger. Do you want to join Avalanche?
I want.
Cloud! Cloud! For God's sake! We're meant to be recording this advert!
I want his sword.
You want Cloud's sword?
You'll never have my sword, ever.
Right, Cloud, behave please.
I am behaving.
Is that just your sword?
Please behave! Right.
I'm just being sour.
Why'd I go through this?
Hey!
That's not fair.
Guys, you think the star of the show here? Right, as I was saying, Barrett asked me to get more members for Avalanche. Right, I don't know what's got into here. I really don't actually like it. Hey everyone, this is the Great Ninja Yuffie, and I want you to join Avalanche. Of course, Barrett said just do posters, but I thought that would be way too obvious. So I'll do the video instead. Hi, Cloud.
What's going on?
I'm recording a video. Ah, Georgie, come on, Dad. Come on, Dad. Stand next to me.
I'm not a very video person.
Come on, Dad. No, everybody, no. I got Cloud.
I'd rather not be on.
What happened to your head? Tropical head?
It's called hats.
But anyway, Cloud, say Cloud, tell people to join Avalanche.
Join Avalanche, you've got to be more else like this.
Oi! I'm perfectly normal! I got 19 for the GCSE!
No, you're right, you're just useless.
Uh-oh.
That means nothing!
Eric!
I'm busy.
Eric!
Hey!
Eric!
Oi!
Just get up there with her. I prefer to be
Thanks,
camera mom.
Thank you, Cloud, for coming. Hello?
I don't like the way she's standing behind me.
Wait, I have a back shot.
What? You want a back shot? Since when did Cloud know how to film things?
Excuse me.
Everybody!
Fair enough.
Yes, I do.
This is also Becky!
You missed it.
Oh, I see. And you're on screen.
Thanks, sir. Hey everybody, this is Yuffie, and this is... What are you doing? Hello, my name is Aerith. Unfortunately, Sid jinxed me. Aerith Gainsborough. There you go. Now, the reason we're here is to get more people for the Avalanche, isn't it, Aerith? Of course, we're now going to be broadcasted on public television. But I have Reno wrapped around my little finger, so that doesn't really matter.
Reno, is that it?
Well, kind of, like...
Reno, he's the easiest person to have wrapped around your finger of all.
Yeah, well, Ruth's starting to like me, and that means something, Cloud.
I've got Vincent, Sephiroth,
Vincent loves me. So, up yours. Vincent loves me, doesn't he?
Aerith Gainsborough.
I've already said it.
Anyway, me and Aerith should have a relationship. I mean, we've got similar interests.
Oh! Am I not allowed to tell him?
Good duck.
But anyway, We need more people for Avalanche, because our numbers are, well, not that big compared
Right up, 5 seconds left, hurry up!
What?
5 seconds left, hurry up!
We need members for Avalanche. What? No, you should have. Yuffie, shut up.
Dude!
Yeah?
Yuffie just told herself to shut up. Yuffie, shut up!
I'm not an idiot. I passed my GCSEs, guys.
Barely.
Barely? What is B's barely?
They're not A's, are they?
That means nothing. I nearly got A's. I just fell asleep in exams.
Well,
As usual.
As usual? What does that mean?
You fall asleep on the battlefield.
No, I don't.
Remember that time we were fighting in Wusa, your hometown? You were just about to throw a ninja thingy.
A shuriken! Get it right.
Whatever. You were just about to throw one of those and kill this guy, yet you threw it, but then you fell asleep.
one of those big pointy things.
It's a shuriken. I know what it's called. I'm not stupid. I hit you in the end.
Materia.
Give me the materia back. You're great. The great
This is a bouncy ball.
No, it's not. It's materia.
Bouncy ball.
She just wants to.
The text took all of mine.
Oh, have your bouncy ball.
Thank you. It's not bouncy ball. It's
But, not
cloudy.
You